Attention California business owners and self-storage operators, this is critical. Wage and hour lawsuits can be some of the most expensive challenges you'll ever face. But here's the good news. You now have a way to protect yourself. California has changed its laws, and with the recent reform of the Private Attorneys General Act, you can now cap penalties in a lawsuit, but only if you show that you're proactively auditing your wage and hour practices. That's exactly what we're bringing you in the CSSA Wage and Hour Toolkit training, a 90-minute virtual deep dive by top HR experts designed to keep you compliant, informed, and protected. This is not just another webinar. It's a toolkit designed to help you prevent costly lawsuits and take advantage of new protections under California's laws. So mark your calendars for Thursday, March 27th, 2025 from 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Click the link below to register now. And even if you can't join us live, all the registrants will receive the recording, but only for a limited time. So don't wait until you're facing a lawsuit. Take action now and protect your business. We'll see you at the training.